I'm at Westwood. Stone quilts. Making up the hill on Flanagan Mill Road, you're rewarded with all these beautiful homes. Of course, I'm in Hanover now, and I've left New Kent about 2 miles ago, but it's all beautiful, regardless of whether you're in New Kent or Hanover. I'm getting ready now to turn onto Old Church Road. I'll make a right here, and this is gonna be the beginning of the loop back to Steel Trap, where I'll take Steel Trap back to Hopewell Road, and then Hopewell back to Cosby Mill and Cosby Mill home. Coming up on Steel Trap. Let me make this right here on the Steel Trap. Steel Trap is a difficult road for riding a bike. It's very rough. It could use tar. About 300 yards up here, I'm going to be going straight up a hill, which is going to be no fun. I always have trouble with this hill. By the way, this is the hill. It doesn't look that bad, right? Well, you come out here and you cycle, and then you let me know. I made it, but you can tell by my heavy breathing. It's a killer. Coming up on Hopewell Road, leaving Steel Trap. I got about 4 miles left in this ride. I'm about 12 miles in. I'm on the New Kent side now of the Throckmorton farm, and I just passed into the Hanover side. Cosby Mill is right in front of us, about a quarter of a mile. Make the left back onto Cosby Mill. This was a great ride. 16 miles according to Google Earth, and really I could keep going. This is just such a beautiful day. The temperatures are just right. I hope you guys have an opportunity to get out real soon.